Krishna Maharaj. Please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Wishing you a very happy 72nd appearance day. Thank you, Maharaj, for inspiring and blessing me. I would like to speak on your qualities by using an acronym. You are J, a jewel in the crown of Srila Prabhupada. A, active commander in Gauranga Mahaprabhu's army. Y, yogi, a true bhakti yogi. A, accessible, easily accessible to one and all. B, person filled with positive attitude. A, accommodating. D, tremendous willpower to preach. A, amazing. Maharaj, you are just amazing. K, kind. You are kind and filled with karuna. A, affectionate towards all the children. S, saint, a true saint. W, witty. Maharaj, you are a witty person and make everyone laugh. A, achiever. M, merciful. You are very merciful. Lastly, I, innovative. Innovative in expanding Srila Prabhupada's army. I pray to Sri Sri Radha Madhav and Lord Nrsimhadev to bestow good health upon you always. Thank you, Maharaj. Your servant, Kishori from Avtari Desh.
My dear spiritual father, please accept my humble obeisance. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. All glories unto you. This is Krishna Prita Devi Dasi from China. After you got brain stroke, I tried to learn Ayurveda till now. I tried to find some solution for your facial paralysis. After long time research, I got some good idea. Last year, I discussed with one Indian famous Ayurveda doctor, and she gave me some good advice. So I bought some nasya oil and herb and sent to you. But the devotee there, they didn't know how to use that. So till now, they haven't used the medicine. So I was thinking I need to find some good doctor and send that doctor to you. Have you to do the nasya and head massage. It can help you a lot to remove the mucus and recover from facial paralysis, but it needs quite some time to see the good result. Somehow I have a strong desire to help you to recover from facial paralysis. So please give me mercy. I can finish this seva for you. Thank you for your unlimited love. Spiritual daughter, Krishna Prita Devi Dasi. Jai Gurudev.
हरे कृष्ण। गुरु महाराज, आपके श्री चरणों में मेरा सादर प्रणाम स्वीकार करें। मैं आपका दीक्षित भक्त दीक्षित शिष्य रामकिशोर दास, साहिबाद, दिल्ली। गुरु महाराज, आप प्रभुपाद की अटूट सेवा कर रहे हैं। आपका पूरा ध्यान प्रभुपाद के मंसूर के पालन में है। आपको देखकर समझ सकते हैं कि आप जीते जागते उदाहरण हैं कि आप शरीर नहीं आत्मा हैं। आप हमेशा भगवान की सेवा में तत्पर रहते हैं, भगवान की सेवा में लगे रहते हैं, और वे आत्माएं जो भगवान से दूर आ गई हैं उनको भगवान के नजदीक लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। गुरु महाराज, आप दूरदर्शी हैं। आप भगवान की सेवा के लिए आपदा को भी अवसर में बदल लेते हैं। आज कोरोना जैसे समय में भी, कोरोना काल में भी आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स माध्यम से के द्वारा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा भक्तों तक पहुँच रहे हैं। इस प्रकार आपने मायापुर के शुरुआती दौर में जो हुई चोरी की घटना को, जो लूट की घटना को, इस तरह से आपने 25,000 लोगों को इकट्ठा करके 168 मंडलियों के साथ में जो है उसका विरोध किया, और उस अवसर में भी आपने भक्ति जैसे कार्यक्रम को शुरू किया। आपने नवदीप मायापुर परिक्रमा का जो है शुरुआत की। आपने ही इस्कॉन में लाइफ मेंबर की शुरुआत की। आप नित्य नए जो है तरीके ढूंढते हैं विचार के और उनको लागू करते हैं। आपका गुरु गौरांग प्रभुपाद के प्रति समर्पण जो है वो संसार में सभी लोगों को जो है एक अवसर देता है कि किस तरह से जो है हमें गुरु की सेवा करनी चाहिए। आपका पूरा जो है ध्यान रहता है कि जो प्रभुपाद के निर्देश हैं उनको पूरी तरह से लें। प्रभुपाद के निर्देश आपके लिए जो आदेश से भी ज़्यादा होते हैं। आपने TOVP का निर्माण किया, TOVP का निर्माण अतिशीघ्र पूरा होने वाला है। आपने गुरु महाराज प्रभुपाद ने जो आपको मायापुर के विस्तार के लिए जो जिम्मेदारी दी उसको आपने बहुत अच्छे से निभाया। हरे
যশোদে গো সাধ করে কি তোমার গোপাল চাই, ও মা যশোদে গো সাধ করে কি তোমার গোপাল চাই। তোমার বোনের কানাই কি গুণ জানে, আমরা বনে অন্ন খেতে পাই। ও মা যশোদে গো সাধ করে কি তোমার গোপাল চাই, ও মা যশোদে গো সাধ করে কি তোমার গোপাল চাই।
Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances. As Srila Prabhupada has told in most of his books that a guru is the one who will help guide the person to know the purpose of his life, so do I request you to help me know the path of my life too. And this is all I could tell for now because I'm new to Krishna consciousness. And I also recently watched few videos about the construction of TOVP. I was super excited and I was thinking that like a squirrel helped Lord Ram in the construction of the bridge, just like that it will be a great blessing to me if I can get an opportunity to be a little part of this TOVP too. And I heartily pray that TOVP has to be a great success. Hare Krishna, thank you so much for the opportunity.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. Please accept our humble obeisances unto your lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. All glories to you, Guru Maharaj. Happy Appearance Day.
My name is Vivek from Nottingham. I am one of the aspiring devotee. I offer my prayers and Narasimha Kavacha to you for your well-being and health. Please guide me to improve my spiritual journey. Right now I am a bit slow, Guru Maharaj. I need your blessings to advance my journey. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. I am Priya from Nottingham. Last 2-3 years have been very, very turbulent in my life along with my family. And I am blessed to receive the association of devotees in Nottingham. And I would like to offer my humble contribution in the form of chanting and offering Narasimha Kavacha. So please guide us and bless me with your mercy to advance in my spiritual journey and to bring back everything to normalcy. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. I consider myself a beginner on this spiritual journey. I try to chant every day, several rounds, regardless of how much schoolwork I have, without fail. And I do the Narasimha Kavacha with my family for your well-being as well. I would like to contribute whatever small contributions I've made to the Nottingham Namahata by organizing the children's activities and doing kirtan. Please bless me with more opportunities to continue doing kirtan and serving, and as well as contributing to your mission further. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Lavanya.
My younger sister Lavanya has a little message, but she couldn't be present with us today, so we've just added it onto the rest of the video. Thank you. Hare
Thank you
Krishna.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Please accept our humble obeisances, Guru Maharaj. We are Vaidnathan
and Anita from KKD.
We are very merciful to get you as our Guru.
Thank you for showering your blessings and mercy on us.
We are very fortunate souls to get you as our Guru Maharaj.
We are very much indebted to you, Guru Maharaj.
Please bless us to serve and get the mercy of Krishna.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaja, happy foundation Pujari. This is Krishna Mitra Nitai Dasa.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, this is Priya Bhakshini Janava Devi Dasi.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, my name is Jai Vaidavya.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaja, we are connected to ISKCON Sri Jagannath Mandir, Shesha Tripuram, Bangalore, India. Happy foundation Vyasapada Guru Maharaja. Thank you so much for giving us a chance to glorify you and this auspicious day as a Budari. By glorifying you, we will be purified, Guru Maharaja. Thank you so much for accepting us, your disciples, and enlightening us through your presence, through your Vaishnava qualities, Bhakti Vishwa program, book distribution, taking care of the devotees and serving them, and many more preaching programs, Guru Maharaja. Thank you so much, Guru Maharaja. We are always very grateful to you and thankful to you.
हरे कृष्णा दंडवत प्रणाम गुरु महाराज আপনার শ্রী চরণ কমলে গুরু মহারাজ আপনি হচ্ছেন পতিত পাবন এবং দয়ার সিন্ধু আপনি করুণা সাগর গুরুদেব আপনি এমন অসুস্থ থাকা সত্ত্বেও আপনি সারা পৃথিবী জুড়ে ভগবানের নাম প্রচার এবং ভগবানের গুণকীর্তন করছেন আপনি আপনার গুরুর আদেশ অনুসারে আপনার জীবন কৃষ্ণ সেবায় যুক্ত করেছেন গুরুদেব তো আপনার মতো মহান গুরু পেয়ে আমার জীবন ধন্য হয়ে গেছে গুরুদেব আমি অজ্ঞানী আমি পতিত আপনি আমাকে কৃপা করেছেন গুরুদেব বিগত এপ্রিলের 9 তারিখ শুক্রবারে আপনি আমাকে দীক্ষা প্রদান করেছেন গুরুদেব তো আমি যেন আপনাকে যে প্রতিজ্ঞা দিয়েছি আমি যেন সেই প্রতিজ্ঞা নিষ্ঠার সহকারে পালন করতে পারি গুরুদেব আমাকে কৃপা আশীর্বাদ প্রদান করুন গুরুদেব আমি ওমান সালালাতে প্রবাসে আছি তো আমাদের এখানে একটা নামহট্টের সাথে আমরা প্রায় 9 জন ভক্ত একসাথে মন্দিরে আসি মন্দিরের সেবাতে নিয়োজিত আছি প্রতিদিন 16 মালা জপ প্রসাদ রন্ধন এবং মঙ্গল আরতি এবং এখন লকডাউনের জন্য গৌর আরতি করছি গুরু মহারাজ আগে ডিউটির কারণে গৌর আরতিতে অংশগ্রহণ করতে পারতাম না এখন লকডাউনের কারণে গৌর আরতিতে অংশগ্রহণ করছি আর আমাদের এই নামহট্টাতে সাপ্তাহিক প্রোগ্রাম চলতো সাপ্তাহিক প্রোগ্রামে সেবা কার্যে আমি যুক্ত থাকতাম এখন আমরা সেটা গ্রুপের মাধ্যমে জুমের মাধ্যমে করতেছি গুরুদেব আমরা এখন গ্রুপের মাধ্যমে গীতা ক্লাস চালু করছি সেই ক্লাসে অনেকে এখন গীতা নেওয়ার জন্য আগ্রহী হচ্ছে গুরুদেব কৃপা আশীর্বাদ করবেন যেন আপনার সেবাতে আমার জীবন যেন আমি প্রয়োগ করতে পারি হরে কৃষ্ণ দণ্ডবত প্রণাম গুরু মহারাজ
Hare Krishna, I am Padmanabh Gopal Das from Surat, Gujarat, India. His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj Vyas Puja Maha Mahotsav Ki Jai. Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances at your divine lotus feet. Guru Maharaj, I will try to say few words about you. That is not sufficient to glorify you, but I am doing this for my own purification. Guru Maharaj, you are extending more and more day by day. Guru Maharaj, this pandemic, corona pandemic has created havoc throughout the world and everyone is disturbed. But you have adopted new ways to reach us and to reach more people through Facebook, Zoom, and YouTube, connecting through online classes. Guru Maharaj, this has not stopped your preaching. You are giving online initiation, conducting virtual safaris, etc. Guru Maharaj, you have also suffered this corona pandemic disease, but still you are preaching throughout your treatment. That shows how committed you are to Srila Prabhupada. Guru Maharaj, as Srila Prabhupada writes in verse 5 of Nectar of Instruction, when a person realizes himself to be the eternal servitor of Krishna, he loses interest in everything but Krishna's service, always thinking of Krishna, devising means by which to spread the holy name of Krishna. He understands that his only business is spreading Krishna consciousness movement all over the world. Such a person is to be recognized as Uttam Adhikari. Guru Maharaj, please forgive us for offenses which I commit at your divine lotus feet. Guru Maharaj, I am trying to help you by preaching, book distribution through temple service and TOP construction, etc. But that is highly insufficient. Guru Maharaj, please give us a drop of mercy so that my life can be dedicated in your and Srila Prabhupada mission.
Gauranga, Gauranga. And I can never thank God enough for having you as my spiritual master. I shall try to follow your path. I try to attend regularly Srimad Bhagavatam classes on Saturday, Guru Maharaj. But these days, I'm not able to get the password for the evening Chaitanya Leela classes. I'm very upset with that. Somehow, please arrange me with the passwords for the evening classes. Please bless me, Guru Maharaj, my family members, my husband and my 3 children, all to be Krishna conscious and engage them in your service, in preaching and everything. Guru Maharaj, thank you so much. Happy Vyasa Puja.
Dear Guru Maharaj, all glories to Srila Prabhupada on your 72nd auspicious Vyasa Puja celebration. I offer my humble, respectful obeisances at your divine lotus feet. You are so glorious and merciful. There is no denying the fact that you are the flagship of Srila Prabhupada's Hare Krishna movement. Your divine appearance is a great blessing to me. You are always my eternal torch-bearing spiritual father who can give the love of Lord Krishna other than your divine grace. You are always Srila Prabhupada's most dearest one. Long live your divine grace. Preaching and long live Srila Prabhupada Hare Krishna movement. Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Jai Srila Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, Guru Maharaj ki jai.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my most respectful obeisances unto your divine lotus feet. Myself Kulapriya Madhavi Devidasi, Vaishnavi Forum, Bangalore. And I would like to thank that I got an opportunity to give offerings, homages on your Vyasa Puja day, Guru Maharaj. And I am very much in debt to you that you have accepted me as your daughter. And forever I am in debt to you, Guru Maharaj. Not only me, my whole family has changed. They all got into Krishna consciousness. They chanted 16 rounds and they have taken shelter from you, Guru Maharaj. My father, mother, 2 brothers and 2 sisters. All because of your mercy, Guru Maharaj. I'm so happy for that. And Guru Maharaj, thank you for your mercy. You are my role model, inspiration, Guru Maharaj. In spite of your health condition, in spite of your this corona condition, but still the way you connected to us by taking classes, giving classes every day in the evening and give home visits, and then on every Saturday you take Bhagavatam classes. So every time whenever home visit comes, we are so inspired to see you and take blessings from you, Guru Maharaj. We just wait for that blessings, Guru Maharaj. And the way you dedicated your life for the spiritual master, the Srila Prabhupada. So I beg for that mercy, Guru Maharaj, so that I also dedicate my life to my Guru and Krishna, to you and Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Now I'm into preaching, Girls Forum and Grahastha Ashram classes. Also I take, Guru Maharaj. Please bless me so that I can continue this service for eternally and serve you, Guru Maharaj. Thank you, Guru Maharaj. I love you so much, Guru Maharaj. Thank you once again, Guru Maharaj. Please bless me.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. Please accept our humble obeisances at your lotus feet. All glories to Srila Prabhupada and your divine grace. We are Mathuradesh devotees and we took aspirants in aspiring ceremony recently, Guru Maharaj.
Guru Maharaj, you have been very inspiring to all of us to continue Krishna consciousness. Please bless us that we can fulfill Srila Prabhupada's orders.
Kindly show mercy up to us, Guru Maharaj, so that we can take shelter at your lotus feet and one day get initiated.
Please give us a chance to serve at your lotus feet, dear Guru Maharaj. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Jab Tak Maharaj ki jai. And I am ex-temple president of ISKCON Shamdesh Sharjah and Shiva Sangandesh from 1993 to 2009. And myself and Rasa Secretary President a lot of work for Shamdesh and then all other work I was doing in Shamdesh. So this is just for your faster recovery. Because you are such a wonderful disciple of Srila Prabhupada, you came out of all problems in spite of stroke happening in 2008, and now you had a transplantation of your liver, kidney, and everything became okay because you are totally in the mood of serving Srila Prabhupada. Now TOVP is coming in a big way, so I've been preaching everyone whomsoever I meet that. One recording I heard from the Vice President of ISKCON TOVP that those who want to contribute and support the seva for TOVP, there is 1,600 rupees, which is 108 rivers water will be offered, and the Prabhupada Abhishek will be done and all the deities. So like that, so many people can give and they will.
Hare Krishna. Dear Guru Maharaj, on the auspicious occasion of your 72nd Vyasa Puja, I offer my humble obeisances at your lotus feet. All glories to you. Guru Maharaj, when I reached this Middle East area in search of a job, I never expected that I will get a strong inspiration from someone in this place to join Lord Chaitanya's Krishna conscious movement. Even in this desert, you have sowed the seed of bhakti much before I landed here and inspired me to take up bhakti very seriously. It is my great fortune that I got the association of your disciples. Like the wind carries fragrance of a nice smelling flower, similarly your disciples are spreading your glories, and I got enchanted by your charisma, your enthusiasm in preaching, your commitment to carrying out the mission of your Guru Maharaj. You are the best example how a person can preach Krishna consciousness in all odd situations. Your birth in America, not knowing any Indian language, lack of funds, your precarious health has not dampened your spirit of serving your spiritual master. There is an endless list of your achievements to narrate, but I am sure that no words can glorify your glories, that too by this insignificant disciple of yours. Please forgive my offenses at your feet. Your humble servant, Yajneshwara Krishna Nam Das. All glories to you, Guru Maharaj. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hari Hari Bol.
আমি নয়নমণি কৃষ্ণ দাস বাংলাদেশ নাটোর থেকে আর আমার কর্মস্থান সংযুক্ত আরব আমিরাত দামোদর দেশ আপনি যেমন আপনার কৃপা দৃষ্টি প্রদানের মাধ্যমে আপনার শ্রীচরণে আমাকে আশ্রয় প্রদান করেছেন আমি এই ব্যাস পূজা মহোৎসবে এটুকু কৃপা প্রার্থনা করি যেন আপনি যেমন শ্রীল প্রভুপাদের সেবায় গুরু গৌরাঙ্গের সেবায় দৃঢ়তার সাথে সেবা করে চলছেন আমাকে এটুকু কৃপা প্রদান করবেন যেন আমি আপনার দৃঢ় সেবার সাথে দাস অনুদাস রূপে আপনাকে সাহায্য করতে পারি আর আপনার দেওয়া প্রতিশ্রুতি যেন পুরোপুরিভাবে পালন করতে পারি হরে কৃষ্ণ, জয় শিলা প্রভুপাদ, জয় গুরু মহারাজ, জয় গৌর প্রেমানন্দে, হরে হরে।
Hare Krishna, Soumya Lakshmana Devidasi, Chennai. Guru Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances, Guru Maharaj. Guru Maharaj, I always pray Srila Prabhupada, Radha Krishna, Lalita Vishaka, Gauranga Nityananda for your happy, healthy and prosperous life. Guru Maharaj, thank you so much for showering your mercy and blessings by giving a garland when I first met you. Guru Maharaj, by your mercy and blessings, I am taking online classes for children and ladies on Chaitanya Charitamrita, Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. Guru Maharaj, I am continuously seeking your blessings and mercy always. Guru Maharaj, by your mercy and blessings, I am humble, loving, sharing and caring. Guru Maharaj, thank you so much. Guru Maharaj, thank you.
हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज, आपके चरण कमलों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम गुरु महाराज। मेरा दीक्षा नाम है फूलदात्री गोपी देवदासी, थाईलैंड बैंकॉक में है। हरे कृष्णा गुरु महाराज, हैप्पी बर्थडे गुरु महाराज, थैंक यू गुरु महाराज।
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam, dearest Guru Maharaj. Please accept my humble obeisances onto your lotus feet. I am so grateful you have taken me under your shelter. I have been serving at the Radha Gokula temple at Watford all through the pandemic with your blessings. I pray to the Supreme Lord that your health is good. Maharaj, I beg for your mercy to be able to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead as the servant of a servant of a servant, and bless me so that I am able to do follow your instructions and serve the Lord. Jai Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Jai Guru Maharaj ki Jai, Guru Maharaj ki Jai.
Dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my most respectful obeisances unto your lotus feet on this auspicious appearance day, Vesh Puja ceremony. All wish to Srila Prabhupada. I am your spiritual son, Dijunath Gauranga Das from Sylhet, Bangladesh. You gave me new life and are showing the path of infinite bliss. You are my only shelter. You are showing how to be a pure devotee of Lord Gaurnitai, how to take good care of their devotees, how to remain always inspired and enthusiastic. You are a role model for the whole Vaishnava society. You are showing us how to serve and please Srila Prabhupada. And if spiritual master is pleased, then impossible is possible. And Srila Prabhupada is pleased upon you, you are doing all miracles. Still, Srila Prabhupada is giving blessings for you non-stop services. You are living for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada. By pleasing Srila Prabhupada, one can please you. You are so merciful to all living entities. Preaching is like oxygen to breath. For you, you are preaching without considering your condition, continuously traveling physically and virtually, giving mercy all over the world. I became astonished to hear your daily activities. You are so much active in day and night, it is impossible, but you are doing this because you love Srila Prabhupada. Out of love, one can do such miracles. Please give me that love you have for Srila Prabhupada and Gaurnitai. You are always happy in loving service of Lord Gaurnitai. Srila Prabhupada told that, be happy and make others happy. Guru Maharaj, I am very unhappy. I have no love for Gaurnitai. Please make me happy. I am going to start reading Srila Prabhupada's books. Please bless me on this auspicious day. Please forgive my offenses. Jai Shri Prabhupada ki Jai.
Hare Krishna, my dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances unto the dust of your divine lotus feet on this very auspicious day of your Vyas Puja. I am just wishing you a very happy Krishna conscious Appearance Day. It's my prayer at the lotus feet of Lord Narasimhadev. He always protect you, and you always get a strength, and you always keep on shower your merciful mercy on each and every living soul of this world. And please, on this auspicious day, please bless me, please bless my daughter Aditi, my Prabhu Subhash Prabhu, and all my online class members, and all my relatives, all my colleagues, all my friends in whom I am coming in contact and trying to share Krishna consciousness for the pleasure of Guru and Gauranga. Please, Guru Maharaj, please forgive my offenses. Please always use me in the service of, use me as an instrument in the service of, in your service of preaching mission of Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada, Jai Srila Guru Maharaj. I am your fallen spiritual daughter, Shweta Manjari Swarupani Devidasi, Sikandrabad Yatra Group, Sikandrabad. Hare Krishna, India. Hare Krishna.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.